Hi everyone, Erik from Voltage by OpenText here again. Today I would like to talk about cost savings in relation to data, and I will divide it in two. I will talk about ROT analysis and I will talk about application retirement. So if we start with ROT analysis, normally when I talk about that, I refer to unstructured data, text files, PDFs, documents, images, OCR, things that you have in a file share in a SharePoint or in a content manager solution. Typically what we do with our capabilities is that we scan on metadata, and we normally find that more than 50% is either redundant, obsolete, or trivial, meaning we have duplicates, you have data that you are not using any longer, or you have things that nobody has used in maybe 20 years, and you still save it. I'm well aware that the cost of storage is not that expensive, but you also have a lot of other things attached if you don't know what data you have. You protect it too much, you have too many people maintaining it, it's hard to optimize the data sets, it's hard to maintain and everything like that. So normally what we do typically is that we can run a discovery on metadata, and we're able to find more than 50% that are considered as garbage that you can actually remove or at least archive to a cheaper repository. That's ROT analysis. Application retirement is another very popular use case that we come across very much nowadays. And really what that is that the enterprises have a lot of legacy applications where they keep the applications and its databases up and running because they have some data that they need for ad hoc reporting on a yearly basis. But there doesn't come in any new data or change any data within those sources. So what do? We use our discovery capabilities to find the data that are still relevant. We can classify what is sensitive. We will export that data into a CSV file, so we can do that on Oracle, DB2, MariaDB, SQL Server, and what have you. And then we will import it into one centralized system. We normally use Postgres because it's the cheapest, or one of the cheaper. And then we build reporting on top. And all of a sudden, we can shut down a lot of legacy applications and systems, and we can consolidate this into one centralized system, and you can still get access to that information. But you will save a lot of money on maintenance, upgrades, support cost, the risk of not being on the latest version, and many other things. So we can do a lot related to cost savings. We talk about ROT analysis or legacy applications and shut those down by retiring them, but still have that data that are relevant available for reporting. So if this is something of interest for you, more than happy to discuss this further. Thank you very much.